Hi guys, welcome to Book Clubs tutorial number 3. In this tutorial, we're going to be going over how to create a poll using Book Clubs. So you've just logged into your account and now you're going to want to go to My Clubs and then click your club name. And then you're going to want to find polls in the left navigation bar. So go ahead and click polls. And this is where all of your polling activity will appear. So any upcoming polls, past polls, your members can go here to vote on polls, and you can also create a new poll. So we're going to start with creating a new poll. The first thing you can do is enter a title. Then you're going to want to add any notes or instructions for the poll. Add a poll due date. This due date is when the poll closes. So none of your members can vote after the poll closes. So keep this in mind when you're setting the poll due date. You can also set the poll to anonymous voting, and you'll do that by checking this box here. But we're going to start with adding book selections to the poll. So you can either search for your book here, click the book to add, and then if you want to add another book, just select add another book and continue to search and add books that way. Or you can also auto-populate your books from your club's want to read list. So if any members have recommended books in your club's want to read list, just check this box and all of the books from your list will auto-populate here. So once you're done, be sure to select stop adding books. And then you can also create a poll to vote on any meeting dates or times. So you'll select add meeting date time option, select the date and time that you want to vote on, make sure the time zone's set correct, and then click add. If you want to add more, just continue adding dates and times, and you'll see they continue to display underneath the search option. Once you're done with that, you can also add yes or no questions to your poll. So you can ask, do you want to meet in person? Click add, and then your members will have a yes or no option to that question. You can also add open-ended questions to your poll. So click add, and your members can type in their answer for those questions. So you can add as many options as you'd like to your poll, or if you want to just vote on books or just vote on meeting times or yes or no questions, you can do an individual poll for each of these as well. So once you've added in all of your details for your poll, go ahead and click Create Poll. And the default setting is to send a notification to your club. So this will send an app notification if your members have their apps notifications on, and also an email notification. And the email notification will display the poll's details as well as a link to the poll so that the members can go and vote through there. So if you want to keep your notifications on, go ahead and keep this box checked. If not, you can uncheck it. But go ahead and click Submit Poll. And as you can see, your poll displays under Upcoming Polls. If you need to edit any details, you can go ahead and click Edit, change whatever details you need to, and then click Edit and Submit. And now if your members want to vote, they can click right here on the vote options for the books that they'd like, and you'll see that the number of votes are displayed underneath the option. They can also do that for the meeting date and times. They can also select their answer for the yes or no questions and type in their answer for open-ended questions. So that is basically everything that you will need to know about polls, and once this poll's due date passes, it will auto-populate into past polls. So the votes will close, but you can still see what all of your members voted on in the past polls. So that is everything you need to know about creating a poll on Book Clubs. I hope this helped, and stay tuned for our next tutorials.